intoxicating your energy. First time in so long you felt the heat evaporating your bindings. Move like the sunlight, darkness can't hold you here. Bold and bright, push through the atmosphere. This is your dawn, this is your break.
Alright, welcome to another episode of JaysFinest.
I know the sadness that cripples you. It comes in waves and out of the blue. But there are days you'll feel freedom too. Bask in the glorious lightning. Move like the sunlight, darkness can't hold you here. Bold and bright, push through the atmosphere. This is your dawn, this is your break. Move like the, move like the, move like the sunlight, darkness can't hold you here. Bold and bright, push through the atmosphere. This is your dawn, this is your break. Move like the, 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 move like the.
So, the kit that we got is from American Muscle. This is the, apparently they have stages, like, if you have performers there, bar, lighting. This is we loosen up all the lug nuts from the Mustang. The next step is to lift up the Mustang. Now, we're going to put that this exhaust was the best thing we have gotten so far, because it's just the sound quality. What can you mod? It doesn't have a regular 4-cylinder. After an hour later, I just finished installing everything for Bash's car. And behind the radiator, he does have an upgraded front mount intercooler in the type of the Mustang. It's one of the first things we do. And as well, we got all the mods in the Mustang. Whether it be wheels, whether it be a chin spoiler, happy regardless the mosquitoes, the humidity was just. So thank you guys for watching this video. I just wanted to just, do a little quick update to you guys, so you guys see what I've done well in the Mustang, what didn't make to the channel, and what was good for the Mustang. And honestly, I have zero complaints about anything.